Sarah, and welcome to Oh Sarah, So Sarah. For today's video, we're using a seam ripper, a pair of scissors, and I have linen fabric. And today we're going to show you how to straighten the grain or pull thread. The fabric is double folded. I'm going to put my seam ripper in the fabric and choose one thread and gently pull up. And as I gently pull up, you can see the fabric gathering and that line forming. I'm going to gently pull. You see the line where the thread is being pulled? It gathers a little bit, and then you gently slide the fabric through your thumb and fingers to straighten the grain or pull the thread. So if your thread breaks, just pull the next closest thread and finish. We're going to snip it right here on the selvage. Pull this one. Okay, so we see a straight line here where we pulled our thread, and now we're going to cut on that straight line. And this is called straightening the grain or pulling thread. When you straighten the grain or pull the thread, your finished garment comes out more professional looking. My scissors are just following the line that I straightened. This is the fabric that we cut off after we straightened our grain. And this is what it looks like after the grain has been straightened. Absolutely beautiful. Take time and straighten your grain before you cut your fabric. Your garment will come out much nicer. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Sarah with Oh Sarah, So Sarah.